Hello everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 5, जो कि एक poem है and its name is The Rain. First, we'll discuss internal questions. First internal question is, what do the rich and poor leaves stand for? Answer: rich and poor leaves are actually symbolizing rich and poor people of the society. Rich leaves get the first chance to quench their thirst with raindrops, and whatever remains trickles down to poor leaves so that they can quench their thirst with it. Same is the case with our society. Rich people get first opportunity in every field, unlike poor people. This was the answer of question number 1. Moving on to second question, which is, second question, do you also like the sun coming out after rain? Why? Answer: yes, I like the sun coming out after rain as it has very soothing and calming effect. Moreover, sun usually symbolizes hope, and in poem it is symbolizing equality and justice, and these all qualities are likable and positive. This is why the coming out of sun is liked. Thank you.